Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Figma. This is a quick and essential skill that comes in handy when you're working on design layouts and need to mirror elements or adjust their orientation. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the project or file where you want to flip an image. This could be any design you're currently working on, whether it's a web mockup, a presentation, or a visual project. Make sure you have the correct file open before proceeding to the next step. Now that you have your file open, locate the image you want to flip. Click on it to select it. You'll notice that once selected, the image will be highlighted with a border indicating that it's ready to be edited. This is an important step because you need to ensure the correct element is selected before applying any transformations. Next, right-click on the selected image. A context menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on either Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical, depending on which direction you want to flip your image. Flipping horizontal will mirror the image from left to right, while flipping vertical will mirror it from top to bottom. This is the most straightforward method and works perfectly when you're using your mouse or trackpad. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for faster workflow, you can simply press Shift-H on your keyboard to flip the image horizontally. If you want to flip it vertically instead, press Shift-V. These shortcuts are incredibly useful when you're working quickly and need to make rapid adjustments without navigating through menus. Many designers prefer this method as it speeds up the design process significantly. There's also another option available directly in the interface. On the right side panel, you'll find the Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical icons. These icons are typically located in the Design Properties section. Simply click on the appropriate icon to flip your image in the direction you need. This visual method is great for those who prefer clicking buttons over using keyboard shortcuts or right-click menus. And that's it. You've successfully flipped your image in Figma using 3 different methods. Whether you prefer right-clicking, using keyboard shortcuts, or clicking interface buttons, Figma gives you the flexibility to work in the way that suits you best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.